Okay, in today's video we're going to look at the S&P futures again. Yesterday we talked about the time and price decisions that we had at this last low that were followed by a trigger, and here's the next decision coming up. We did clear some of the hurdles today, but not all of them, and this is where we do have to watch for a possible failure, you know, underneath this last swing high here. So the standout zone here on the daily chart comes in at 24.59.5 to 24.61.75. And if we look at the lower time frame chart, let me find that 120-minute chart, there's one other decision that you can't really see on the daily, and it comes from this extension of this high to low. So we're actually testing some resistance right here at the 24.54 area. So bottom line, if you were in the trade on the buy side against that last support decision and timing, it's a really good idea to ratchet up stops, okay? But as far as, you know, exiting, you don't really need to exit unless you start seeing sell triggers against these zones, okay? And if you do start to see the sell triggers, that's going to tell you two things. It's going to tell you to exit current long positions, and then also to consider a short against that same zone with the risk defined above it. But note that if we end up continuing to rally through the same key resistance and ideally take out the August 16th high, the odds increase for a continued rally towards this target with this two-step pattern in mind, okay? So take it from one decision to the next. We had the first decision, we had the setup, we had the trigger, the trade entry. Now you manage it because we're starting to get into some resistance, and then let's see if it, you know, if it can clear this resistance and head towards the target. Or another way to say it is to fail or not to fail. Okay, so that's what we're watching next in the S&P.